Set your iron to dry mode and preheat it to the hottest setting. Carefully peel the label off the sheet and place the label on a clean, dry garment. Cover the label with the sheet provided. This sheet is reusable. If you misplace it, not to worry, you can use parchment paper. Using a firm back and forth motion, iron the label for about 45 to 60 seconds. Be sure to keep the iron completely flat over the label at all times. If the label does not appear to be properly fused onto the fabric, repeat this step using more heat and more pressure when applying the label. The label and garment will be hot. Wait a few seconds to allow the parchment paper to cool before peeling off. The label should be firmly applied and not lifting at the edges. You'll know if the label is properly applied if it is fused into the fabric, making it impossible to pick or peel off once cooled down. Ta-da! You're all done and ready to go. Please note that you should wait up to 24 hours before washing the garment. If you have any questions about this product or its application, please send an email to customerservice@lovablelabels.ca or call us at 1-866-327-5683.